Hey, my name is Denise Walsh and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I overcome the common objection of, I don't have time. I hear this all the time, whether somebody wants to start a new business or work out more or eat better. There's this element of like, how can I fit this into my day? And by the end of today's video, I'm going to share with you what I say when I get that objection from somebody who tells me they want to change, tells me they want something different, but they're not quite ready to commit. But before we get started, if you have not yet already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video with someone you know might need it. All right, so I've been working with people one-on-one and in group settings for about 15 years. I was a clinical psychologist and worked in clinical mental health for 5 years. So more than 15 years. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that sounds really old. But I've been in my business for almost 12 years, working, coaching, training, and basically helping people set a goal and then go do it. And again, one of the things that I hear time and time again is, I don't have time. I'm so busy. How am I going to add one more thing to my plate? And this is what I've learned. It has nothing to do with busy. Typically, no, it really doesn't. It's not about time at all. It's truly more about energy. What people are telling me when they say they don't have time is they're telling me I don't have the emotional capacity to add one more thing to my plate. Okay, I can work with that. Let's be real and honest with ourselves. And so what I have learned to do with prospects, leads, teammates, clients, whoever I am currently working with, is to take a look at your calendar, take a look at how we're spending our time, to prioritize, put in some soul-filling activities, and do things that bring me joy. Now, what I realize is that it seems overwhelming when you're already way up here. To add one more thing means I'm going to burn out. But if your goal is to work out, if your dream life goal is to hit diamond and hit a promotion with your business, if your goal is to get out of debt, like working towards those dream life goals is going to give you energy. It always does, because you're excited about it and you're passionate about it, and you will be filled up when you're pursuing those things that are going to help you achieve your goals, rather than vegging out on Netflix because that seems easier. So instead of thinking, how do I have time? Ask yourself, is this going to give me more energy? Is working towards this goal going to help fill my cup? Is it going to move me in a direction that I want to go? Ask your leads this as well. Instead of talking about time, ask about, is this going to help you reach your goals, and is that going to give you more energy back in your day? What I've learned is that working towards your goal gives you energy. It gives you time because you're excited about it. So I hope that this was helpful. If you want more of this type of information, check out my 2 free resources. First is the Dreamcast, my favorite, full of inspirational interviews. I just have met so many amazing people who've broken through their own glass ceiling and accomplished amazing things. So check that out on any podcast player, as well as my new Dream Life Action Planner. Now, this is really special to me because in the whole idea of time, right? For me, once I've got a plan, I don't have to think anymore, and I'm not wrestling with it. I'm not wondering what to do. I just execute. And so the Dream Life Action Planner is a free PDF download that you can download, that you can create your own game plan so you can simply take action too. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.